Hello students, my name is Ranjana Srivastav. I am your environmental teacher from Ikra Primary English Medium School branch. Today I am going to start the chapter 6 named Omna's Journey from the textbook Looking Around of Standard 4th. So students, let's begin the chapter. Here in this story there were two friends named Omnas and Radha. Let's see about them. Omna and her best friend Radha were very excited. They were going on a train trip to Kerala. Omna was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with her family for a holiday. Omna's father had gone to book train tickets for both the families. Then just 2 days before their journey, Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured her right leg. Her leg was put in plaster. The doctor said that should not move her leg for 6 weeks. Radha's family had to cancel their tickets. The two friends were very sad. They had made so many plans about what they would do together on the trip. Then Radha's Amma had an idea. Omnas, why don't you write down everything about your trip in a diary? Then when you come back, Radhas can read all about your trip. This way you will not forget anything and it will also help you to pass the time on the train. Both the friends thought this was a good idea. Omnas went home and found a notebook with blank pages to write all about her journey. Here are some pages from Omna's diary from you to read. So the two friends, Omna and Radha, they planned go for a trip. Unfortunately, Radha fell ill and she could not go for a trip. They both were very sad. Radha's mom gave an idea. So Omna decided to about the journey to share with their friends. Here we are going to see some pages from Omna's diary. Understood? So children, let's see the next page. So student, see, this is Omna's diary. As soon as we had reached the station, we checked our names on the reservation chart. Soon the train reached the platform. We saw that the coach was already full. The train had started early in the morning from Gandhidham in Kutch. When the train came, there was so much confusion. People were getting off and others people pushing and trying to put their luggage inside or from the door. So Omna is writing, as soon as they reached the station, they checked their names on the reservation chart. Soon the train reached the platform. They saw that the coach was already full. The train had started early in the morning from the Gandhidham in Kutch. When train came, there was much confusion because few people tried to get down and many people tried to get into the train. We somehow managed to get in, find our seats and put our luggage under them. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats and arranged their luggage. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our tickets to see that we were in our proper seats. Amma and Appa had the lower berths. Unni and I have the middle berths. There are two college students who have the upper berths. On the other berths, there is a family with two children. They seem to be about our age. I will go and talk to them later. They somehow managed to find their seats and put their luggage under them. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats and arranged their luggages. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked their tickets. So Omna's Amma and Appa had the lower berths. So Unni and Omnas had the middle berth. There were two college students who have the upper berths. On the other berth, there was a family with the two children. Omnas thought that they would be her age. So, and she thought that she will go and talk to them later. Understood? Now I am sitting near the window and I have started writing about our journey. Just as I had promised to you. I will stop now because Amma had opened the tiffin box. Amma has packed a lot of food, dhokla with chutney, lemon rice and some mithai. My mouth is watering. I will write more later. So students, she was sitting near the window and started to write about her journey as she promised her. But she says that she will stop there because her Amma opened the tiffin box. Omna's Amma had packed a lot of food, dhokla with chutney, lemon rice and some mithai. So Omna's mouth started watering. So here are some few questions. We see what is it. Question is, why was it so crowded at the door of the coach? Because so many people were hurriedly trying to get down or board the train, so they were doing both the things. That's why it is crowded. Have you ever traveled in a train? When? So, after write whether if travel, yes or no. Yes, I always travel in the train when I go to my grandmother's house. What food would you like to take with you when you travel and why? So you can write any food items like biscuits, fruits, chocolates, snacks, sabzi and puri. So why you like to take these food items? You can write whether it is tasty or it will not spoil easily. Next question. What does the ticket checker do? The ticket checker all passenger tickets and makes sure they all are sitting on their own seats. How will you recognize the ticket checker? So you can easily recognize by his dress. I can recognize a ticket checker by his uniform. He has a badge on his coat. He carries a chart in train which has the passengers' names and other details. Understood? Now let's see the next page, students. After lunch, some people slept. But I was not sleepy. I kept looking out of the window. I saw many fields, but they all were brown and dry. Sometimes we passed small villages. They seemed to be flying by. Do you know that when the train is at a very high speed, things outside seem to be running in the opposite direction? So after lunch, some people slept, but Omna was not sleepy. She kept looking out of the window. She saw many fields, but they all were brown and dry. They were not green. Sometime we passed some villages. They seemed to be flying by. Do you know that when the train is at a very high speed, things outside seem to be running in the opposite direction? Earlier, it was really hot. Now that it is evening, there is some breeze. Either it was really hot. Now that it was evening, so she could get some breeze. The sun is slowly getting and the sky has become orange. I have never seen it look like this in Ahmedabad. The sun is slowly setting and the sky has become orange. I have never seen it look like this in Ahmedabad. So on Ahmedabad, she didn't see any such scenery. We have just passed a station called Valsad. The train is stopped for only 2 minutes. But even for the short time, there was so much noise. Chai, garam chai. One man was calling, batata vada, puri shaak, doodh, thanda doodh. People were selling and buying food on the platform. We quickly bought some bananas and chikus through the window itself. We have just passed station called Valsad. The train stopped for only 2 minutes, but even for the short time, there was so much noise. Chai, garam chai. One man was calling batata vada, puri shaak, doodh, thanda doodh. People were selling and buying food on the platform. We quickly bought some bananas and chikus through the window itself. Omnas bought bananas and chikus through the window. Understood everyone? So students, now I am going to end this session. We'll continue this chapter tomorrow. Understand? Okay, thank you very much.